In the dim, cramped security office, Nathan hunches over a cluttered desk. Static hisses from the vintage radio, filling the silent warehouse. A faint whisper cuts through the noise. Look beneath the floor. In the storage room, Nathan freezes, blood turning to ice as a chill crawls down his spine. Nathan cautiously steps into the storage room, the beam of his flashlight slicing through the oppressive darkness. The flashlight beam dances across dusty shelves, finally settling on a section of floorboards that seems recently disturbed. He kneels, his flashlight beam intensifying as he scrutinizes the floorboards. With painstaking care, he pries open the floorboards, revealing a rusted metal box hidden beneath. His hands tremble, a mixture of anticipation and fear gripping him as he reaches for the box. Nathan struggles to heave open the rusted metal box, its secrets sealed by time. Inside, faded velvet cradles, old photographs of a woman with smiling eyes, a ghost of joy amidst yellowed newspaper clippings. A folded letter lies hidden beneath the clippings, poised to reveal a chilling truth. The letter reveals a chilling truth. She was buried beneath the very floor he stands on. Nathan stares in disbelief, the weight of the revelation crushing him as the whisper on the radio echoes in his mind.